Hello. Welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird is the yellow-bellied sapsucker, a woodpecker found mainly in the east, known for its diet of sap-covered insects. Not the most common bird, but I'm sure I'll find it. To begin the search, I started at Kennesaw Battlefield. My first bird was an eastern phoebe, a type of flycatcher. I heard multiple Carolina wrens, a ton of tufted titmice, squirrels, ruby-crowned kinglets. I spied a goldfinch, and today's bonus bird, the king of the woodpeckers. These guys are so good at demolishing trees that other species of woodpecker will show up for the leftovers. I stuck close to the big guy, and sure enough, within a few minutes, that's a yellow-bellied sapsucker. Much more skittish than the big pileated woodpecker, the sapsucker was disturbed by my presence. So I moved on. This was my last day in Atlanta, so Melissa and I returned at sunset. Beautiful yellow pine warblers foraged along the path, and Melissa spotted a new bird for both of us, a fox sparrow, a fitting way to end my trip to Georgia.